purchase a puller kit, which I did not. But remember that Advance Auto has some really nice tools that they'll loan out for a small fee. If you put a deposit down, they'll allow you to borrow their tools, and that's the route I decided to go. So here is the puller, and the tip that I'm using is a tip just like this. Goes in the hole like this, then turns and spreads. You get the one that's the right diameter, and that should technically be on the back side of the seal. And then you have a nice 5-pound puller. I strap the rear end down. So one down, one to go. So now we're gonna attempt to take out side number 2. Here we go. Wonderful. Not sure if you can see that end piece, but that's basically the setup. Goes in behind. Got a 5-pound slide hammer in order to give you a little extra oomph. That side came out a lot easier than the first side. Well, a little bit of a difference between having the proper tools and not having the proper tools. So this is my first attempt. Got a couple nicks. I'll sand that out. So you got a little bit of a lip right there where the seal seats to stop, and put it in the right location. Sure you can see that. You got to clean out all that old axle grease. What a difference with that tool. All right, so noticed a little bit of difference between the old and the new. This one over here is the old. If you see this one, it's pretty tore up. That was the first one I was trying to get out. And there's leather that is actually this outer seal. Let's see if I can get a good shot of that. That's actually leather. On the inside, you can see where the tool deformed it, but that wasn't actually in that bad a shape. The one on this side was. And then if you'll notice also, this one is more of a C-shaped channel. Has a little bit of a backing to it. So it's almost formed all the way around versus the new one. It kind of just has a L shape to it almost. So if you look at the back side between the two, a little bit of a difference. I think that was part of my confusion doing this for the first time, is looking through and seeing it here. I thought this part here on the inside was the stop. And so not wanting to mess that up, I kept trying to pull it from the front. Once I understood how it was set up, it was pretty simple to get it out. Pretty sure it was Steve Baker that replied on one of my videos. I want to thank him for helping me kind of figure it out. But now it's time to move forward and get this stuff back together. Also want to give a shout out to my local Advanced Auto for having this kit in stock. Put a deposit down on it, which you get back 100% as long as you return the unit. Was a bit pricey, I think $170 or so deposit. You can buy this particular set on the web for a whole lot less. Part number 648611. Nice kit. Something I'll have to look at, maybe add to my arsenal in the future. Father's Day or Christmas. Have a little bit of a brutal schedule coming up as far as work is concerned, so I'll go ahead and post this video. I've got the seals ready to go and the kit for installing them. I made a bit of a scraper tool out of a piece of all thread, which also happens to be my shock compression tool. So I have a washer that's almost the same size as the inside diameter of the axle tube. I'll split it in half so I could spin it around and hopefully grab the rest of the bad axle grease and pull it out. Get it as clean as I can. Also wanted to say thanks for all the suggestions and the comments, and it's a whole lot of fun. I get to learn things, people are sharing their knowledge, and I'm getting more parts done for the car. So, all right, till next time.